How to private Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Here, click on the three lines at the top left. Scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, simply scroll down. You'll find Profile Details, click on it, and simply click on the pencil icon beside bio and make it only me, and in this way select everything and make it only me. Then how people find and contact you, who can send you friend requests. If there is option for only friends, press on friends and save it. Who can see your friend list, only me, and then save. People with your email address, no one, press on save. People with your phone number, no one, and save. And go back, go to stories. Who can see your stories, make it friends and save. And allow others to share your public stories to their own, turn this off. Allow followers to reply to your stories, turn this off. Allow people to share your stories if you mention them, turn that off as well. Go back, go to Reels. Allow others to share your Reels to their stories, turn this off. Who can see your Reels? Make sure it's only friends and save. Go back, go to followers and public content. Who can follow me? If there is option for no one or only me, press on it and save. Who can see the people pages and list you follow? Only me. And who can comment on your public post? Friends, press on save. Public post notifications, only me. Public profile info, only me or friends if it's available. Then after you do this, everything is private and you're good to go. This is our private Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.